Hi everyone, welcome back. And this is a Huawei Watch Fit unboxing and setup video. And this is the Huawei Watch Fit, which I bought from one of the online retail stores. This is available on Amazon or AliExpress. Okay, briefly we will talk about the features and specs about this watch fit. It is a fitness watch with some smart features, and it has got 1.64 inch AMOLED display. It has got resolution of this particular watch size where we don't see pixels, so it's good display, and it has got 96 different sports and training modes, and it has got smart features where it can also show us the notifications from the smartphone. It can be either Android or an iPhone, but for iPhones there is no music control, and there are some features which are limited to an extent, whereas in Android there are more options available, more features. Okay, let's see the watch by itself. So it's graphite black, which I ordered. So there are other things in the box like USB cable, and this USB cable is having 2-point charging on one side, and the other side it's USB-A, and on the other side there is a manual as well. This is the warranty card. Okay, it gets charged approximately in 1.5 hours as per some web review. So I have to check it out. I haven't charged it yet. This is the new package, as you know. So this is a rectangular shaped smart fitness watch. It has got one button. There is a microphone sort of hole, but it doesn't take any voice commands, and it has got SpO2 sensor and also the heart rate sensor. And this is the manual. So here it shows various parts and ports of the smart fitness watch. Now we'll set up Huawei Health App in the smartphone. So I'm using Android phone here, and the first thing we need to do is register for Huawei ID. If you are using a non-Huawei phone, then most likely we need to register first time. If we don't have the user ID yet, we need to click on register and enter date of birth. So then set a password here, click next, and then set up the country origin and the phone number, and SMS code is to be verified, and enter that. Then we will get this notification with Huawei Health supports syncing and saving to the health cloud, and it says what it is synced to. Then click on agree, and then we get to see different settings. Okay, I got an update here. Clicked on update, and it is currently updating in the background. There are some settings, privacy management settings, which we have to look into. And then as this is from Huawei app gallery, so we have to turn on install app from unknown sources just for this install. And then check for other updates. So there is a new version found. Click on install. Okay, currently it's installing. It would take a couple of minutes. While it's getting installed, so we can see some of the features. It has exercise records, heart, weight, sleep, stress, SpO2, skin temperature, and other features. The last feature, as you see here, it is for women. Okay, now app asks for device location, so I'll turn on while using the app for now. Now it's getting paid. And it has got the pairing request, so I'll accept it. So pairing is successful now. Now we get to see the default watch face. Now it's paid. Let's continue. So whether to enable auto updates or install updates manually, we need to choose here. I would choose install updates manually for now. Now we need to enable the notifications, as we have to receive some notifications from the smartphone. Now for the watch itself, there is a first firmware update. So there may be future firmware updates, and after installing this, we'll see if there are a few more. Okay, 98% through. Now firmware update 1.0.3.20 is almost done. It's installing in the watch now. We can click finish on the app itself on the smartphone. So I'm enabling the notifications. Now allowing notification access for the Health app. Click on allow. And we can choose here what apps we would need the notifications for. And if we allow here the call logs access, then we would receive the caller ID whenever someone calls on smartphone. Now it's installing the latest update as of that time. Okay, it's installed and now connecting to the watch. It's connected. Current charge level is 60% and there are plenty of watch faces. Now there is a new update with a changelog mentioned here. There are some improvements to accuracy of SpO2 measurements and few other changes. Now I click on the download and update. Okay, it started updating 1-2%. So I'll keep offline for now, and I've got 97, 98, 99 almost through. Now it finished updating. It's installing the update in the smartwatch. Now we get the notification on Huawei Themes privacy notice. There is a statement about themes and privacy. Okay, click next. And there is a permissions and user agreement for the network and storage, just to store the themes locally. Now it's checking for further updates. So this is one of the last updates at this point. It's downloading the firmware update now. So it's almost through in the app and it's installing in the smartwatch for now. Okay, this is one of the watch faces, and now we will set up and check what is options in the watch itself. So there are several workouts and other exercises. So there are advanced chest workout, ab toning, ab repair, core workout, leg and glute toning, leg workout, and there are other fitness courses, run and walk courses, fat burning run basic, fat burning run advanced, fat burning run MIIT, aerobic and endurance run. So there are other running courses. We can set the goals individually. And we can also set the reminders. And once they are set, if we wish, we can remove them as well. So Swipe from left side to right for going back to previous screen in the menu. There are aerobics, group training, yoga, Pilates, functional training, Tai Chi, strength spinning, CrossFit, freeze sparring, karate, fencing, belly dance. Ballet, and these are the sports. Several activity oriented sports are covered. And some winter sports as well. And workout records are stored here whenever we do workouts, and heart rate records are stored as well, and synced with the app. And there is a stress monitoring as well. They will ask a couple of questions, and we need to give appropriate answers. Then it would estimate the stress level. And music control is there, stopwatch is there. Music control is to skip the next track, previous track as well. And stopwatch has preset as well as custom counters, and we can set an alarm. And this is a flashlight, and find phone is for finding the phone if we have misplaced it somewhere. And there are other device settings as well. And some of the themes which are installed are stored here within the app, and some are stored locally in the watch itself. And we can set one active watch face and another one as a standby watch face, but it consumes more battery if we set a specific standby watch face. And favorites can be set up as well. And brightness can be auto, or we can set up whether you want screen on always or not, can set up. And do not disturb mode can be set up for specific timings, and we can set up auto detect workouts. Please subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to Digitech Map. Thanks. Bye.